Prana. The word means life. And tonight we are going to talk about prana. Why? Because today is International Yoga Day, a day to celebrate life, a day to celebrate happiness. Because if your prana is well maintained, then only you can breathe properly. Then only you can feel that happiness with all over with your families and friends and everybody. Friends, we want to welcome you one more time because the guest is very special, who has been trying to help the whole community with something very special that we are going to talk about. The research work has been going on for last 20 years, and this man alone just trying to help all of us out. And who doesn't need the help in such a moment of crisis? Yes, we do. We all do, isn't it? How about if I tell you that you can have something near your hand whenever you feel like that I have to breathe the fresh air? Maybe you are just sitting in your office, or maybe you are just rushing in some place and looking for some fresh air, right? We always do. So, this is, I think, can be the remedy that you all can think about. But let me introduce you to all of you, our guest tonight, Dr. M.K. Shastri, and he's the founder of Pure Prana. Dr. Shastri, namaskar, namaste, and I am Ragini. Welcome to this beautiful show, Pure Prana.
Namaste. Good morning.
Good morning, good evening. Yes, my viewers, we are in the time zone gap. And as you can see that it's evening in US, but in India, it is the morning time. So the freshness of the morning and the talk, yes, the talk, we are going to say few things because first we would love to know from Dr. Shastri that what is Pure Prana?
Pure Prana is, as you termed it just now before, that it is a purest air and it is very essential for everyone to inhale the purest air. Each one part is okay. But what is the quality of pure prana is very, very important. Everywhere you get a purest form of air, but here in my pure prana, what I have designed it is containing sterile pure prana. This sterilization, what we call it as a bacteria free, and it is not having any contamination. It's not having any type of, I call it as impurities, or I call it as a purest form of air with benefits of every human being. Once it is sterile, the sterility is going to help the lungs and the entire body, and it is going to create the lungs area, whatever you call it, the lungs are after breathing this purest form of air, or you call it as a sterile air, it is going to give a lot of benefit to the lung area. And this particular sterile air is going to kill the bacteria and viruses and any cross contamination or whatever you breathe in, what I call it as airborne diseases. The airborne diseases are very, very harmful, and you may find a lot of types of airborne diseases. There are more than 1,800 to 2,000 airborne diseases. But in common places, wherever you just, even in your house, when you go outside, a lot of cross contamination, dirty areas, and where there is a bacteria existing more, there you are inhaling it. You are polluting your own body with a bad air. This particular bad air is going to create a problem in your lungs or in your body. This particular bad air, or you call it as a bacteria filled, or whatever you call it, mold, and other toxic gases. Most important thing is virus. Right now we are talking about virus. And these viruses are very, very harmful to the human body. Now, how to eliminate? There is a super system working in your body that is called immunity system. They fight all the times and they try to eradicate and kill the bacteria. Whatever is coming on the way, whenever you inhale the air, the bacteria is contained into the particular air, and this particular air is going to create a lot of infection into the lungs. This infection creates mucus into the lungs. This infection is going to be very serious in some cases, it will be normal in some cases. Sometimes it will be end with only cold and cough. But when it is going to the, and it is coming into the part of your particular viruses, there are different viruses, man-made viruses, natural viruses, and virus with a different characters, and body has to fight with them, and body is not prepared, but they will do their best to fight with the viruses, but sometimes they defeat, they get defeat. The reason behind it, there are certain limitations in our human body.
Right.
Some people have high immunity strength. Some people have perfect immunity system. Some people have weakness, or some people have a different strategy of health conditions. And if a person is weak or is not in a position to create a real fighting force with the enemy or invaders who are all coming into the lungs, then he falls into a different stage. That's called he will be overtaken by the virus. Now he will fall sick, and some sort of symptoms you get, like a fever and cough, this, that, and all. But presently we are talking about a man-made virus and created a hazard, a pandemic, and this particular virus, there is no end which any, there is no remedy in entire world. Luckily, or I call it as when I was in defense, I worked in the defense for 20 years. And I have learned enough technologies, especially I'm specialized in radar communications and specialized in airborne radar and ground radars. But this is having a tremendous technology, and this technology helped me to promote this particular, to design this particular system. I have applied my technology how to create a remedy for these viruses. And it is I call it as a miracle. I should not call it as a miracle, but it is happening. The results are so much positive, and I call it as a miracle because I was not aware in the initial stage that I will be able to do such a success. The big reason behind it, when this particular viruses, we do not know certain limitations. We know only little limitations, like a swine flu and like other influenza. These are all, they are not normal viruses. They are man-made viruses. And at the same time, I had little experience with my defense services, where I worked in the defense in India. I had been in a number of classes, a number of courses in, I call it as this particular technology. Tomorrow, we are all going to face a different viruses that is called, after it is infected, there is no remedy for that. It is something like a poisonous virus. And tomorrow, the world is going to start with some sort of war. No nuclear weapons, no other weapons, no other concept, no need of aircraft going and doing it, but they will fight with a different technology called chemical technology. And it is a biological war. This biological war
But at the same time, we are all scared about the third wave, and we are really feeling that inside us, that what will happen. Some people like me or some of my friends, we have lost our near ones, dear ones, and we know the pain, we know the hardest way that we had, those time that we had to let them go. But I really want to know that how Pure Prana is going to help everybody.
The pure prana right now is so powerful. Any type of virus, man-made or any normal virus, it can eradicate. And no matter whether it is strong or whether it's light, even the present condition, presently, the whole world is suffering with this. Entire world knows about it. COVID is not to be taken as an easy method. It is a very powerful virus. People have not understood what it is. Now, pure prana, when you use it on a patient, when you use it on a suffering person, it will eradicate complete infection within 2 to 3 minutes or 2 to 3 hours. I will call it as a, if I say 2 to 3 minutes, too less time, but I'll call it as a 2 to 3 hours. It can be eradicated. But as for the performance of this particular thing, I always say 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 hours is too small to convince the people. But 2 to 3 days, once virus attacks the human being, first it won't show any symptoms. First, initially, it will enter it from the nostril, goes to the throat, that is called your throat. That throat is a main base for settling down this particular virus. In that particular throat, it will stay for minimum 3 to 4 days. And it multiplies its virus so fast. And after that, slowly, they enter into the lungs after 3 to 4 days. But if the virus is settled well and it goes into the lungs, then it is going to create a lot of problem. And that particular problem is very difficult to anybody to eradicate and get treated with this particular concept. But my concept is with the pure prana. Once this particular virus attacks, within hours, there are certain symptoms like loss of smell, throat irritation, and other loss of taste, and plus fever, and number of symptoms you find. With that gives you confirmation that you are attacked with a virus or COVID virus, whatever it is. By that time, if you are alert, if you are giving a pure prana treatment or pure prana air, it immediately removes the deposited virus in the throat. And with that, he's clean. Whoever has gone outside or whoever has been affected, same day in the evening, you are cleaning it up. So here, we don't give any chance to the virus to go inside the body and dominate and create a havoc into the body. So this way, pure prana helps to eradicate the viruses.
I think it is very good for the kids as well. And I would love to ask Dr. Shastri about it. Dr. Shastri, I want to know that with a special focus on children, that can we use this device in them?
Yeah, we can use it in children. And there is a 2 years below. You cannot put it in the nostrils because they feel discomfort. And you have to give this air nearby the nostrils for some time. You miss about 1 feet distance or half feet distance, whatever it is. So they can inhale it, this particular thing. And for normal people, about 2 years, if possible, if the canva is going inside the nose and all, it's okay. They are comfortable. If they are comfortable, they can do it. This pure prana contains some more magical power, which I just earlier I told you. It has got a special effect of ions. We call it as a negative ions. This negative ion force, there are different negative ions. I have processed such a negative ions of around 16 to 18 types of negative ions, which is processed in this particular pure prana. And along with the sterile air, these particular ions also go and help the patient to cure it. These ions are negatively charged. Bacteria and viruses are positively charged. When these ions go and try to meet in the lungs and all, they negative ions hunt for the bacteria, and once they meet together, automatically they get into a war field. You call it as a war field. Now, these particular negative ions will not leave that bacteria or any virus, and it will kill up to the DNA level. So thereby, this pure prana contains the sterile air plus ionic force. So this is a special attention given for my pure prana. And with this, no disease can escape and no disorder can escape. So this is the specialty in our cancer. I wanted to explain you later, but only sterile air, yes, it do work, but this ionic charge itself is the most powerful. It adds more power to the system.
Women, we love to carry purses, right? So we travel here and there, and you will always see, and my viewers will be totally saying yes with me, that we carry 2-3 bags with us, right? We are never happy with one. We carry 2-3 bags. We carry almost the whole house with us whenever we're going someplace for vacationing or even meeting somebody, right? Because we love to get that warmth among our friends and families. But here it is, that is pure prana. The machine is very lightweight, and I really can carry it with me if I am going out and meeting my friends. But at the same time, I just want to be on the safe side and take it with me. Is it possible?
This is the instrument, weighs around 4 to 5 kgs, and length about approximately 2 feet, width about 5 inches or so. It is portable, and it can be carried to any place. And it works in America, it is 115 volts. And in India, it's 230 volts. No matter, we will use a step-down transformer, step-up transformer, whatever it is. Now, this is very handy, easy to carry, easy to use. Yeah, this way it gets engaged. Now, when you switch it on, the system, it keeps giving you the sterile air with ionic force. And it is ideal to keep every day 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. That is sufficient to eradicate the bacteria, whatever is settled in the throat or in the nostrils, wherever it is. So you can clean up the body every day in this fashion. By chance, if a corona or a virus affected person want to use it, this particular thing, he can use it 24 hours continuously for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days as he feel comfortable. Now, the moment he start using this particular thing, his oxygen levels increases. Generally, the oxygen levels drops to 80, 85, 82, whatever it is, and it goes up to 89, or you can call it as a 96, and goes up to the maximum. So this particular sterile air contains sterilized oxygen. The sterilized oxygen is going to give a lot of comfort to the patient, and he feels better, and within 3 days is free from the virus. This is what we have. We have a lot of feedback, and lot of people have used it, and within 3 to 5 days we are clearing it up, and we are making the patient happy and free from the virus. So this way we can use this, and for children and all, for below 2 years and whatever it is, you can put it near to the nose, just away from the child, below 2 years, so that the child can breathe it comfortably. Above 2 years, probably, if it fits to them properly, you can use it. So when we have started our practical demonstration, we have worked with a doctor who has suggested us it this be like this, like this, like this. So we have learned from them. Our doctor has guided us. If this way it is done, this is very good. So same thing, I'm following it, and it is giving a good results.
We would love to actually see someone who already used this product, and let us hear from him that how he is feeling about it.
Myself Manjit Singh. 2 months before मुझे कोविड हुआ था, फुल फैमिली को. 7 years डॉटर हैं, उनको भी कोविड हुआ, एंड 2 years बेबी, उनको भी कोविड हुआ था. लेकिन उसके बाद हम लोग रिकवर हो गए. रिकवर होने के बाद हमारा एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने बताया कि प्योर प्राणा यूज़ करने के बाद ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होगा. वो उसके बाद हम लोग यूज़ करने के बाद यूज़ किए. उसमें हम लोगों को कोल्ड कफ का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम था. मुझे हर एक 10 मिनट पे स्प्लिटिंग का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था. स्प्लिटिंग में वाइट कफ आ रहा था. वाइट कफ आ रहा, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था बोल के. फिर हम लोग ये यूज़ करने के बाद विद इन मुझे 3 to 4 days में रिकवर होना स्टार्ट हो गया. ऑटोमेटिकली माउथ से एंड गट से ये कफ निकलना स्टार्ट हो गया था. वो क्लियर होने के बाद अभी हम लोग सब लोग हैप्पी हैं.
So as we are talking about the children, one question is coming in my mind that can we eradicate the fungus in third wave completely among children as we faced in second wave?
This particular fungus formation is going to happen to the people who have suffered for 15 days to 20 days. And the side effect, or you call it as the main effect of this particular thing, who inhale purest oxygen, and that creates a problem. They have a different side effects on the oxygen concentrator. Because of that, many people declare, many doctors say it is because of the purest oxygen or whatever the oxygen continuously inhaled by the patient. They end up with it. We call it as a fungus or whatever it is. So in my case, fungus formation is out of question from me. Why? Because in the initial stage, we are removing the virus. Within 4 or 5 days, we are removing it, and it cleans up, and the patient feels happy and is out of danger, and he is not suffering from a corona or whatever it is, or any type of corona. Let it be second phase or the second stage or third stage or fourth stage, fifth stage. It is capable of handling any type of virus. It's capable of handling all types of, because it has got the special power in this particular thing that is called the ionic force. It can fight and disable, or what you call it as eradicate all the viruses.
So friends, I told you that you are going to change your life, because as long we are breathing, we are living. We want to make sure that we live with the fresh air, and due to these pollutions and all these things are happening everywhere, we do need to carry something portable with us. And I do believe that you are all going to agree with me. And it was really nice talking to you, Dr. Shastri, about the product and how we can use it and how easy it is to use. That is what making me to try that machine right now, because it is so easy. It is portable. You can have it anywhere, like around your house. And we are going to actually talk to him more about this regards, because one thing is clicking in my mind that when he is talking about that oxygen level going high, and oxygen level high means that your cells are going to get the oxygen and you are going to look young, bright, beautiful. Oh, listen, we are not going to continue right now because the time is very limited, but we are going to be back with more people and with their views and options of how to use Pure Prana in your daily life. Thank you so much, Dr. Shastri, for being there with us. And we really want to welcome you with this beautiful version of Pure Prana. And I do believe the whole world would love to use it.